How to set up caseXchange communication. If you need to send a case from one user to another, you can use the caseXchange connection in coDiagnostiX. For example, let's take user 1 who doesn't have this connection yet. Click on the caseXchange icon. If you're not registered yet, click New Registration. If you're already registered, click Already Registered and enter your registration number from your previous registration. Let's start with a new registration. Fill in the empty fields. All blue fields are mandatory. And enter your email address. Click Next. An activation email has been sent to your mailbox. Open your email and you'll find the registration link. Click the link. Your coDiagnostiX caseXchange registration is now successfully activated. You will receive a new email with your registration key. If you need to open coDiagnostiX on another computer and keep your registration data and contact list, you will need to enter this number under Already Registered. Now we're ready to add a new contact. Click Add Contact and you'll see 3 options. Create connection number. Enter connection number. As reference lab, let's choose Enter connection number and click Next. The user you want to connect with must also be online. It is mandatory that both users are online during the first connection when adding each other to the contact list, and both must be in coDiagnostiX at the same time. The second user should also open caseXchange and click the plus icon. So, if user 1 selects Enter connection number, then user 2 must select Create connection number. Click Next and tell this number to user 1. Please note, this number is generated dynamically and will never repeat. If user 1 doesn't enter it in time, or if you close the caseXchange window, the number will become invalid and you won't be able to connect. Once the number is entered, user 1 will see user 2's information, and user 2 will see user 1's info. If both users click OK, you'll see a green check mark. That means the connection is now established. After this initial setup, both users no longer need to be online at the same time to send cases. Let's now send a case from user 2 to user 1. Open the desired case and click the caseXchange icon. You'll see the list of users you're connected with. Select the correct user and click Send. The case has been successfully sent. Close the caseXchange window. Note that once the case is sent, it becomes locked for editing. If you need to make any changes, click the Unlock icon. Now let's switch to user 1's computer. A pop-up window will appear, indicating that a new case is available. Click on the caseXchange icon and open the contact who sent it. Click the Download icon. The case will be uploaded into the system. You now have access to this case with all its details. If you need to make edits, click the Edit icon and you can modify the case as needed.